Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MEIZU M8 and let me share with you how to change video size on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to switch to the video. So let's tap on the video, and if the shutter button turns red, it means that for sure we are on the proper mode. So now we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and as you can see at the very bottom of the list, we've got the video size, so simply tap on it. And here we've got actually 3 different options from which we can choose. So we can set 480p, 720p and 1080p, which is right now obviously applied. What's more, and those video size options are connected to the ratio, so we can set 4:3, 16:9 in both of those options. So all you have to do in order to change the video size is to simply tap on the one you would like to set, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, so it means that from now on your device will record videos in chosen size. Of course, you can change it how many times you want to, and I highly recommend to stick with this one. So actually this is it. This is how to change video size in your MEIZU M8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.